on the hiking trail down here. That's so cool. Alright guys, so as I'm doing this little walk and crawl video and stuff like that, I figured I'd take a second to put out a little bit of a warning. When you're doing this, it's really easy to focus on the RC crawler and not where you're putting your feet, and that can be bad. As you can see here, I'm in a beautiful overlook, but if I go to slide, you know, that's a hill. Like, that's not good. So when you're doing these with your little crawlers and having a good time, just a little bit of a safety warning. Pay attention to where you put your feet. The truck rolls down the hill, it's not going to get as hurt as if you roll down the hill. So anyway, have fun.